Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about, does Dollar Tree take Apple Pay? You can shop on Dollar Tree by using Apple Pay or not. So answer is no. You cannot use Apple Pay at Dollar Tree stores. Okay. So you can see over here they have mentioned like, yes, Dollar Tree store accept Apple Pays and all. So this is not a right, because I can prove this thing. Like you can see over here are the payment methods. Like so you can see over here you are unable to use Apple Pay through online, and there is one more website, like this is the website. There is also mentioned like you cannot this is the official website. First of all, we will talk about on official website. You can see over here we are not able to purchase purchase orders, coupon and wallets or Apple Pays at this time. It means you cannot purchase any kind of or you can say like product by using Google Wallet or Apple Pay at this time. You can use American Express, Visa, MasterCard, Discover card, PayPal credits. These kind of you can say like payment they are accepting right now. And in some stores they can accept your Apple Pay, but you need to contact with their customer support team on this number. They will guide you. They can accept your order by using Apple Pay or not. So this is the best and easiest way, because when you visit on internet, when we find this questions answer, there is some questions related to this, like you can say like question, like some of them are complaining like they are not accepting Apple Pay, but this is the another answer, like, yes, I am a operational manager at Dollar Tree, now we take Apple Pay all the time. So it means there is a very big confusion about this thing, like they will accept your Apple Pay or not. So if you have any experience, please share your thoughts in our comment box, and your comment will helpful for lots of people. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video, my dear friends, and bye bye.